First time walking to work in the rain. Nobody's out and about this morning. Nobody else walking this morning has umbrellas. It's weird. I know it's ironic that I'm calling that weird as I'm wearing sunglasses in the rain. I get it. That's some rock star shit. No umbrella, no sweater, nothing. Kind of impressed. Someone with an umbrella. I do miss having a car today. Nothing deters the smokers. So I made it into work. Really wet, but not in a good way. Hopefully the rain will cease by the time I take lunch. Guess I better get used to it, huh?